Yes, my people, it's a normal day. Look at this beautiful Detox, one of the most renowned and top detoxer in the world. It's called the duck flower. I'm going to show you what exactly it looks like as you're seeing right here in front of you. Yes, it's a very beautiful plant. Yeah, nature know to put the medicine in the food. Yes, yes, yes. Can I say no? So I have it there on a stone showing you how it's situated with a hold on the inside. Yes, see there, it's floating on the water top because we are out in nature and you can see that duck shape, right? Yeah, that's where I think it gets its name from, the duck flower. I'll be giving you nutritional benefits of how it's a mucus remover. Here is what the leaf look like. The leaf shaped like heart. It's a running vine. I am studying the plant at the moment, see how well I can propagate it. The duck flower has been known by the ancients as one of the flowers that detox and cleanse the colon, because you know when you catch colon cancer, there is no turning back, my friend. That is your best friend. So this plant is known as the number one detoxer. Yes, my friend. Yes, so this plant is found right here in Jamaica. It has it helps in getting rid of excessive mucus. Yes, and chest cough. It helps in detoxifying the body. It increases mental clarity and energy and vitality. It removes excessive water in the body, which promotes weight loss and reduce bloating and helps regulate menstrual cycle for women. Yes, so this is a very beautiful plant sent by nature. And as I said before, nature have a way of putting the medicine within the plant, and it's found right here in Jamaica. I noticed that it loves around the riverside. It's like a meet me by the river plant, and I realized that water has the oldest memory, so this plant know why and show you how water is important. Yes, it's a beautiful detoxer. Try duck plant today to get rid of all the toxin out of your body and to cleanse the liver. Please have a wonderful day and look forward for more videos like this. Fun food factory, factory food. Whoa, duck plant, duck, 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 duck. Plant, 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 plant.